Hey guys, my name is Agule and welcome to our channel BTech Cricket. So in this video, I brought you a lot of opportunities from 2022 to 2026 batch. Okay, the people who are looking for Python developer role, the people who are looking for software engineer role. So this is the best video you can watch and apply for all the posts. Okay, so let's go into the video. So here is the first company, which is Agule AI. They have released software engineer intern 2026. Okay, intern batch for 2026, which is for Jan 26. I don't know why they keep it like that. Anyways, so Agule AI is a deep tech startup founded by IT Bombay Alumni, building AI and 3D vision, powered robotics and automation systems for manufacturing companies. We are developing next generation of manufacturing technologies, flexible, intelligent, and adaptable to rapidly changing consumer demand. Okay, so this company particularly works on this automation tools and all. Okay, so here is the website. You can go through that. Computer vision industry automation. Good. And then role overview. Sorry guys, actually I got gold. Aglu AI seeks a software developer to build intelligent automation and robotic systems for advanced manufacturing. You will design scalable software and APIs using Python, integrating with real world hardware and 3D vision systems. Join us to develop cutting edge technologies powering the factory of the future. Okay, mostly you'll be working on Python, and then in case if you have some bit of knowledge on the hardware and all, you can directly work on them also, no worries. So key responsibilities: develop, test, deploy, maintain scalable application using Python and JavaScript, build and maintain responsible user interfaces with modern front-end frameworks, design, implement, and consume RESTful APIs and integrations, model and maintain relationship database schema for application data, debug, write unit test cases and optimize application performance, produce and maintain technical documentation and API specs, collaborate code functionality on software hardware and integration when required. Okay, so the qualification: bachelor's degree is must. Okay, proficiency in Python must. Experience with front end frameworks: React.js, Next.js, AngularJS, PyQt5. Okay, experience with backend frameworks: Node.js, Django, TypeScript, or FastAI. Solid understanding of RESTful APIs, web technologies, and client server architecture. Familiarity with databases: cloud database, MySQL, PostgreSQL, cloud technologies, AWS, Azure, GCP. Excellent problem solving skills and ability to learn quickly in a fast paced environment. Knowledge of PLC communication protocols. Okay, so this is what they are looking for. So why you need to join the particular company? They will be giving you the competitive salary, innovative environment, professional growth, PPO opportunity based on your performance, collaborative team, and impactful work. Okay, so the location is Bosari, which is Pune, Mumbai. On-site full-time. Duration is 6 months, Monday to Saturday, from 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. as per the skills and experience of the person. Okay, as it is a startup company, like you will be having maximum work, so make sure that once you apply for this particular company, make sure that you know all the things. Then only you apply. Okay, on the sets you will be grinded up mostly. Okay, so in case if you're interested for this particular job, just fill your first name, email address, mobile number, current location, hometown, highest graduation degree, institute, and the work experience 0 to 6 months to 1 year, and then resume link. And after, are you comfortable to relocate to Pune? Yes. Or you can join immediately. LinkedIn profile, GitHub profile, and then rate yourself in Python, React.js, Node.js. What other skills do you expertise in? Describe your best projects. Okay, so they will be giving you maximum amount as a Pune, right? They will be giving you as per the standards. Okay, so just apply in case if you are interested for this particular company. Okay, and the next company, did I miss the company name? Okay, let me go to my Instagram. No, let me go to my Telegram. Okay, so Pipeshub. So that's a company which have released the Python SDET intern Bangalore in office only. Okay, here they have given. So Pipeshub is an open source developer first platform that makes building AI agents, AI native products 10x easier using RAG pipelines, knowledge graphs, and deep integration with enterprise tools. So RAG is one such thing, like I think it's retrieve argument something. I just forgot. Anyways, so this technology is booming right now. Okay, most of the people who are diving into this machine learning, data science, and all just study this rag also beside when you write, when you learn all these things. Okay, so that's one thing. So here we are writing a Python software developer engineering test intern for 6 months, full time in office in Bangalore. Strong performers will be considered for a full time role. Okay, they will be giving you PPO. What we'll be working on: manual testing, automating automation testing using Python, PyTest, Fast API, HTTPX, integration of CI/CD using Jerkins and GitHub Actions. So internship details: you'll be given 6 months duration. Location is Bangalore, and stipend will be 35,000 per month, and full time conversion for top performers. So as they mentioned, like 35,000 for in by staying in Bangalore usually it takes minimum of 7,000. Okay, for sharing, for sharing of high sharing, it differs based on location. So in case if you got 75, and if you have removed 2,000 also, you'll be having a 25,000 in hand. Okay, so that's a good amount. That's a good amount. That's a good pay. Uh, just go ahead and apply. Okay, who should apply strong Python hoops, DSA fundamentals, proficient or faster ramp on QA testing methodologies, PyTest and more. CICS, computer science or engineering students or fresh cats. Excellent collaborative immediate joiner for a Bangalore office. So those who are interested, just go ahead and apply. So they have given the GitHub repo also. Basically, they should not share any of this because the code is what we call. Yeah, I'm not getting words. Anyways, so in case if you're interested for this particular company, just fill your name, email address, same gender, and then link your mail, college name, and what are your majors and all. Okay, that's it, guys. And then next company is from Magna. So they have released software engineer ALM role. So I think these are all not required. So let's come to the job responsibilities. The ALM system engineer position is responsible for running the basic system of the global use ALM systems. The system will work in a global environment and support the system with professional knowledge and with external partners and Git internal infrastructure team. He will be the main contact for the entire service. Okay, you will be the main contact for the entire service. In case if anything happens, then you will be the point of contact. So major responsibilities: operating and maintaining of ALM systems like PCT, RVNS, PTC, Code, Beamer, IBM, JAG. Take care of reliable performing services available to our global internal customers. Resolve basic issues with the system service based on SLA. Take care of the security of the services, support patch updates, user management, auth management. Run minor and major updates to the system. Support users in second and third level. Coordinate maintenance of the system with the customer. Support in functional extensions, customizing. So knowledge and education: completion of community college diploma certificate, computer science or another technical related degrees required. Okay, and the skills: general IT knowledge is fine, and then good knowledge of Windows OS, Linux OS, knowledge of SQL and other DB systems, experience with cloud platform like Azure and AWS. Very good English understanding is very much important. Team spirit, good communication skills, high social competence and resilience. A degree of personal responsibility and dedication and responsibilities. For male applications, civilians or military services completed as far as possible. Okay, so these are all the things that they are looking for. So in case if you're interested, just click on apply now. So as it's a work day, I can't apply through all these things, but just go ahead and fill this rest of the application. Okay, so the next company is from UIPath. I think I have done assessment on this particular company for you front end developer position, I guess. So which will be on our YouTube. In case if you want to have a look, just have a look on that. um, Anyways, so they have released Python for software engineer position. Okay, so this is not required. Purpose of this role: uh, to help build the peak AI application in new system of intelligence that allow companies to quickly harness the power of AI. See, guys. So from what is happening is like most of the companies are mostly depending on this AI, and mostly they are building projects on the AI. So this is how now you need to understand why most of the companies are choosing AI. Okay, in spite of uh, general traditional manner of writing code. Okay, so now, so what you need to be a right person to be the contact for this particular position. So you need to have minimum understanding of AI. In case if you don't know any of the AI, just try to learn now. Okay, there are YouTube channels, more YouTube channels. So generally there should be, see, basically what general people think, like, I need to do a certification so that people will be, or the company will recognize, okay, this person is certified in so and so and all. But that's not the case. Okay, learn from the YouTube. Okay, learn from the YouTube, learn from the free sources, and then tell them, like, I know these concepts in the interview itself. They'll be understanding. They, in case if they ask any question, you should be in a position to answer. In case if you're not in that position also, no, fine. Okay, you'll be learning anyways by later on, once you go into the particular company. Okay, so topic divergent anyways. Let me remove all of this. So what you'll be bringing to the team, strong expertise in Python with the hands-on experience using frameworks such as Fast API, Dash, or ORMs, and practical experience with the data analytics and analytical tools. Great expertise from data validation and GPT for data transformation. So knowledge on SQL, cloud platform like AWS, Azure, and GCP. And you need to have some knowledge on CI/CD pipelines, project management, engineers, and stakeholders too. Exploring new technologies, mentoring peers or juniors, exposure to React and all. That's it. I've just given you overview. Anyways, in case if you are interested for this particular job, and then you can directly click on apply for this job. Uh, Upload your resume, which will be auto filling your entire details. If not, just upload your resume manually and fill your first name, preferred first name, email address, phone number, which city you are living in, LinkedIn profile, website, and then are you eligible to work in company where you are applying for? Yes, I've been applied before. No, and then click on submit button. So that's it. You'll be applying for this UIPath. So once you apply for this particular company, like, it takes usually 1 or 2 weeks to get the assessment. In case if you need any help in the assessment, just ping us on our channel, on our Instagram channel, we get it. So I'll be there to help you out. Anyways, so these are all the jobs, guys, and these jobs I have already posted in the Telegram channel. In case if you haven't joined in our Telegram channel, just go ahead and join there, so that so that you won't be missing any of the opportunities. Okay, and then this is our Instagram page. Okay, do follow. I'll be giving all the links in the description box anyways. Okay, so that's it in this video, guys. Let's catch up in tomorrow videos. Have a nice day, and sorry in case if my voice is that much audible, because I just woke up around 3 that day and all, and it's fog outside, and I started sneezing. Anyways, take care of your health. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.